E-commerce site search. It's the most underrated way to increase your conversions. And I'm going to show you 10 ways how you can make yours awesome. Did you know that shoppers using site search generate 30 to 60% of total e-commerce site revenues? Did you know that people who use site search are twice more likely to actually buy something in your store? Did you know that 8 out of 10 shoppers go directly to your competitor if they don't find a relevant search result on your website? Meanwhile, 42% of e-commerce site owners don't have anyone on their team dedicated to improving site search. Hi, my name is Jared Mitchell. I'm the head of e-commerce for Neil Patel, and over the last 15 years, I've generated over $50 million in physical product sales on my own websites, not including Amazon. First, let me ask you some questions. Why are you increasing your search budgets if you're not even properly converting the people that are on your website to begin with? We all know the measure of success for any e-commerce site is converting visitors into customers. Many e-commerce companies do this through paid search or organic SEO. And the average small business spends $20,000 on website search each month. We all know there's one aspect that I'm going to talk about today that goes completely unnoticed, and that is site search, and it can make or break any e-commerce store's revenues and conversions. Okay, so if you're new to this, what is site search? It's that little box at the top of any website that allows you to quickly jump ahead and search for specific products. How does site search help? Well, executed properly, it lets shoppers reach their desired products fast, and it should deliver a seamless user experience and drive up your revenues and conversions. Some additional benefits: site search analytics can help you collect data points to identify the best and worst performing products. And it can help you understand which searches actually generate results and which don't. You can add new products or get rid of redundant products based on visitor search data. Run a report once a month and it will tell you what is searched for and not found in your store, and you can actually look to carry those products. Right away, if you're watching this video, make sure you set up Google Analytics if you haven't and enable site search. You will be able to run reports such as what is being searched in your store that you're not able to provide for your customers. Simply add those products and increase conversion. Site search is generally an overlooked part of any e-commerce website. It can clearly give you a competitive advantage. Now, I'm going to tell you 10 ways you can make your site search better. So listen up. First and foremost, make your site search front and center visible on your website. Very top and center, and you'll get more searches. More searches means more conversions. 2, do this for mobile first. Like, no one pays attention to site search on mobile. So make sure if you're a store owner, you pay attention to it, and your customers will too. 3, consider upgrading your site search technology to a third-party provider that specializes in it. Consider upgrading from the standard Shopify or BigCommerce site search technology. 4, make sure every single search generates results for your customer. Related to number 4, 5, what does your incomplete search results page look like? Deck it out. Add an email sign up for a discount. Insert dynamic product recommendations so that every single search gets a result. 6, stay in touch with the data. Make sure you display search results based on shopper data, like which products actually convert and which products people are actually buying. 7, I love adding autocomplete to my search and filter functionalities. It helps for a better UX. 8, allow for autocorrect and display closest results for any errors the user may make when they are typing. 9, the dummy test. Test the top searches on your website manually from time to time and make sure that they're displaying results accurately. You'd be so surprised how often I find mistakes on my own website. Number 10, please make sure your results in your site search box and your window don't look janky. Make sure it's well branded and you're building authority through your branding and design. I've got a bonus too, okay? Allow people to add products to cart from within the search results window and watch what happens. So again, 42% of online stores don't even have a single person paying attention to their site search internally. Make sure if you're an e-commerce store, you start optimizing it today to deliver a great shopping experience and generate greater revenues and conversions. And as always, please make sure to subscribe, give me a like, thumbs up, comment below. If you have any questions, I'm here for you, and thanks so much for watching.